ini Tripura Engineers Society ni ini 10 annual general meeting ke 6 biennial ni একটা program ini town hall মানে open session sunggo inaugurate khaikachini deputy CM Manja Khan honorable minister tribal welfare ga business er jonno जों katal committee khaijaka katal committee o 15 ni ekta committee khaijaka 15 members ni o jaga haine haiteisa select ungkha sini Amulya Jamatia as a president and myself Jivan Deborma secretary enkai Utpal Deborma treasurer te baki 15 members te all logio katal ne hoite ko include khaijaka Ajit Kumar Deborma sovereign engineer go vice president te Ritesh Deborma executive member te Rajesh Riang executive member hisabe oja include kai haine hai chini cultural session ni pai thabo chini inaugurate khaika chini gobagra kai gobagra chini bibhinno retired engineer plus chini NIT ni especially NIT ni top rank holders among the STs promotion felicitation program khaijaka kai chini tribal Tripura Engineer Society actually chini initially prothomo tribal engineer society himno registered khaijak theba chini adong rok amono bum rename khaina bagai last year sing kaisa committee khaiga ebong o committee ni recommendation no ini Tripura Engineer Society ni mono finally sing resolution naka ebong mo accordingly sing mono permission nanai Tripura Engineer Society ni kai belai hambai ang nije boy secretary ngai tini hai o dino ang tini saklai mangkha je chini tribal engineer society Tripura Engineer Society ni ang belai khatong toka ga hai ang jotno hambai chini press media plus electronic media chino tini program coverage kena bagai amono
takra bishi busuk singo mahika meeting khlajaga tei o je committee khamani bishi busini bagai khlajaga
o committee tabo 2021 23 2 years na bagai ko khajaka ga abon protesa abo committee 2 years na bagai abo sini committee decision khajaka
takra bishi mewa bisu mahika meeting khlajaga nong je mo sathong jak mani sa
sini mo sathong jak mani sa kan sini 4 district committee tongo sini west district Dholai district South district ke North district o district committee meeting paimani yagulo tin hai program khajago annual general meeting 10 annual general meeting abke 6 biennial biba
tini o je panda khlajak mani tamnote panda khlaja
hambai tini selain sati bai semai dino tini ora paisa bai ni bagai actually जों tribal engineer society motha eta khamani to 10 annual conference eta 6 biennial kato botini ora town hall sing kwai ostani sini changja tabo jora tei sini program success solai tongko jungkoroniyo program khajane ke sini bukung barani motha jeta tribal engineer ni khajak sini oro sara Tripura ni 639 jona sini oro member tungu oro bisingo employee unemployed ebong joto department sini PWD langsung sini TTADC তারপরে RD sini ONGC private construction বিভিন্ন জায়গানি sini oro niyo paisa bola joto ni hachal sapani sini diri amake sini oro niyo nuka kompai khoi ni sini kai sanja
khar je takra je reform committee khadane kotar boro sas laja kana
ungkha tini chini annual prote 11 conference no sung kutalke reform khayo thangai chini reform committee central committee chini 15 jone khada komo er moddhe chini president Khoroksa Songjak vice president Kunui secretary assistant secretary treasurer organizing secretary makini member 6 jon ake 15 jon ni जों 2 বছরনি বাই কোতাল reform khajaka
secretary president samno chongjaka
president hokte angno ani bumke Amulya Jamatia thangnai bosoro ban tongmani angka taklai khabai fubai jotono te bisa anon songkha angka tini ang buskangni 2 বছরনি bangoi
आंनो प्रेसिडेन्ट माने दायित्व नावै कताल खेति बैसा संनानै जों यापि सेलायफैगोन दै बैसा कताल
GSK साबुन संगा
दिनै GS थांनाय बोसोरनि उनाव तंमानि 2 बोसोरनि कताल बुसकां बिसिनैनि बाङै जेनेरेल सेक्रेटारि संजाक बुमुंफोरखौ जीवन देबर्मा दिनै दाखौ मबाइलनि संगा बुसकांनि यापि सेफायनाय कताल